the jetty like meets in a V right there.
The triangle.
The triangle. It's a fun handwritten tip guide to the area. How to see where you are. Jawbone, humpback whale on your right. Left is a museum. Bathrooms in the picnic area. The dots in the triangle are floats of oyster farms. Don't miss the Discovery Center in Reedsport. Sugar Snack Donuts is a plus. The dots in the triangle? Oh, I see them. Oyster farming. Cool. There's the jawbone of the humpback whale. I never would have known. I would have just assumed it was a piece of driftwood and walked right by it.
Yeah.
Cool, I guess.
Big.
Weird.
Wow.
Hi there. You're watching the Gardens and Graveyards channel. Today we are at the Umpqua River Lighthouse in Winchester Bay, Oregon. This room was used to teach the kids at the kids of the lighthouse keepers, because it was easy to keep warm with the fireplace, and it always had to be occupied to keep the light lit. So the wives of the lighthouse keepers would teach their kids in this room or hang out together. This picture shows how they used to clean the outside of the lighthouse windows because they had to stay really clean for the light to shine through. And this was before harnessing or OSHA rules or anything like that, so they were just out there on their own. The Chinese immigrants who made the bricks would often put their initials or a handprint on the brick as they were being made and then fired. And some of these bricks had those initials.